This problem's similar to some of the stuff that you did in problem set number 2 under polynomials. You had to do some what I like to call plugging and chugging. This is just a rational expression because it's a fraction with x's in the denominator and the numerator, but you're just plugging in the -2. It says the function g is defined as follows. G of x is equal to an x minus 9 divided by an x plus 8. Find g of -2. So, g of -2, which means everywhere there is an x, you are going to stick in the -2. The numerator was x minus 9. So now it's -2 minus 9. The denominator was x plus 8. So now it's -2 plus 8. And now we're going to simplify. When you're subtracting signed numbers, I've got -2 minus 9. That's the same thing as -2 plus a -9. They're both negative. You got -2 and you're going to take away another 9. That's really -11. The denominator is -2 plus positive 8. So these two negatives are going to cancel out 2 of the positives in the 8. So I'm really going to subtract, but I'll have 6 positives left over. Simplify your answer as much as possible. If applicable, click on undefined. I have simplified this as much as possible. They're giving me an option of either a proper or a fraction or a mixed number. I tend to leave it as an improper fraction. If you change it, it would be -6 goes into 11 one whole time with 5 left over. So you could say -1 5/6. Either one of those should work. The only way that you would get an undefined answer is that when you're done, you'll have some number on top, some number up here, and a 0 on the bottom. You cannot divide by 0. When you try to do that, things implode. You can divide into 0, like if I had 0 divided by 3, that would be 0. I mean, think about it. You got a pile of nothing, and you're going to divide it into 3 piles. Okay, I got a pile of nothing, a pile of nothing, and a pile of nothing. But if you flip it over and you try to take 3 items and divide it into 0 piles, I can't even imagine that. I can't even visualize that. It makes no sense to me. This would be undefined. So if you're given one where the number you plug in, like if they had given me a -8, -8 plus 8, that would have given me a 0 in the denominator, and then I would have said undefined. But I didn't. I was given -2, so that's my answer right there.